Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this really quick and super easy French tip with these Btartbox gel pre-made French tips. These are so seamless. I love them so much. I didn't do anything in addition to applying a base coat and top coat to these nails once they were applied and just filing off any excess on the tip. If you want to see how I achieved this, then keep watching. And here I'm just showing you guys how each row comes. There's going to be 15 sizes and a total of 30 nails per row. So there is quite a lot of options, and I'm pretty sure anyone can find their size. Apply it, it allows that glue to flow towards the front. After applying the glue into the base of the nail like I'm doing, I'm just kind of wiping away any excess that may have flown over the nail to the top of the nail before actually putting it on and curing it. The good thing about this glue is it's almost like a putty consistency, so you can actually just like roll off any excess that may kind of overflow from the cuticles or at the base of the nail. I really do like that about this glue. So here you see I'm applying that nail and allowing that glue to flow forward, and you see how seamless it is. You will still see bubbles if you do not properly apply the nail and don't put enough glue, but you see how good that looks. These are nice, I'm not gonna lie. I really like these. I've had these nails on for a couple of days now and I really like them. I did mess them up though because I've been making press-ons for clients, so yeah, I ruined them, but that's okay. I'm gonna literally go in and apply some more because I really like them. If you guys want to see more of the options that they have available, which I believe they have like an almond-y shape, they have like a longer coffin, they have a long square, and then some of the French tips don't have that pink base. They may have like more of like the brown kind of nude base to it. If you guys want to see those as well, just like let me know. But yeah, I also just wanted to show you guys me doing it to some of my other nails as well. But enjoy.
What do you think my brain is made for? Is it just a container for the mind? This great matter. Sincere reply, what is your woman? Is she just a container for the child? That soft pain matter. Cotton candy, magical.
And after I've applied all of those nails, I'm just pulling out my full-size LED UV lamp, and I'm going to do a full cure for about 60 seconds. for all of the nails, just so that they are fully cured before I go in with anything, like any filing. You don't want your nails to pop off, so just make sure that they are fully adhered. I'm going to go in with a thin layer of my Model 1 Space Gel and cure the nails for 60 seconds. And after curing the nails for 90 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and pull those out. And this is what you're going to see. Like, look at that. Look at how polished that is. Let me give you guys a better shot. Look at these nails. Oh my God. They're so beautiful and like required little to no work. Honestly, if you have time, this is going to take you 15 to 25 minutes tops. I'm gonna say it's a really quick process, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.